Hello everyone, welcome back to Zealous to Learn. I hope you all are doing great and trying to improve yourself and your English every day. But let me tell you first that it has been raining here since morning, so you can listen its voice clearly. Okay, so topic is we all want to speak English, right? But we always think about difficult grammar, difficult vocabulary, and always try to speak perfect English. Am I right? But do you think these things are important? I think no. Because if you want to speak English clearly or confidently, so I think we need only courage. You should believe yourself. You have to believe that you can do anything, and first thing is that we have a fear in our mind, so you have to first, or we have to first get rid of that fear. Means we have to remove that fear which is in our mind that I can't. So you have to delete this first, that you can't do. So we have to start uh, with positivity that I can do. So let me tell first thing here that we always give excuses that I don't have a good partner or I don't have a good environment for speaking English. I also used to give these excuses when I started learning this language. And even we always think that how to get a good partner, even we don't have proper topic for explaining our thoughts. I have some ideas. If you are agree with me, then please comment your thoughts. What do you think? So first thing is that we always think about a partner, that no one is there to speak or to practice with me. Okay. But how can we think that, and how can we forget that we are enough? Means हम खुद में खुद के लिए पर्याप्त हैं. What do you think? Are you enough for you? If yes, then why you are waiting for a partner? Then start practicing with yourself. If you want to record yourself, then you can record, otherwise you can skip. Who is ready to judge us here? No one has proper time to give a judgment to other people. Then why you are thinking for other people? Even I am doing this, I am following this thing. There are a lot of people, they will judge me, and they will, what will they think about me? But I think I am not right here, I am wrong here. So first thing is that you have to take your phone and you have to record. It is optional for recording. Okay, then if you talk about a topic, so there are lots of topic in our environment. Even I can say that we are surrounded by a lot of topics. We can take example, our daily routine, our hobby, our friendship, our dreams, our struggles, whatever you faced in your life or you are facing in your life. So we can explain. So those are the things. Even if you want, if you are ready to explain or speak, even you are not good at grammar or in other portion, but we there is no need to worry about for those grammar, sorry, those portion. There are a lot of topics. Even where you live, in a city, in a village, or even in a area where, और lane miss, आप जिस गली में रहते हो उस गली को भी आप डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हो. Your neighborhood, your neighborhood, it is also a good way how your neighbors and how many people live in your neighbors and how is their behavior, like that of sentences you can frame and you can explain. Even if you don't have proper time for practice, so whenever you get time, even how I used to do when I was in kitchen, so at that time also I didn't have any partner that time when I started. So that time I used to speak in my kitchen while washing my clothes, when I was doing laundry. So that time also I was speaking with me, because I know I am enough for me, for myself. सो आई यूज टू डू डैट इवन वेन यू गेट एंग्री. आई थिंक जब आप गुस्से में होते हो, जब आप इमोशनल होते हो, सो दैट इज़ द बेस्ट टाइम टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. ये मेरे साथ हुआ था. जब मैं इमोशनल होती थी या जब मुझे गुस्सा आता था, तो फिर मैं सोचती थी कि मैं इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलूँगी. सो यू कैन डू ऑल्सो. इफ़ आई कैन डू, देन यू कैन ऑल्सो डू. And if you are thinking for topics, so as I mentioned that there are lots of topic. Even I think our real life experience means हमारे जो दिन, जो ज़िंदगी में और जो डेली रूटीन में जितने भी एक्सपीरियंस है, जितने भी क्या बोलेंगे, या एक्सपीरियंस बोलो या फिर जितने भी टॉपिक्स है, दीज आर द बेस्ट टॉपिक्स फॉर एक्सप्लेनिंग इन इंग्लिश. And if you are worried about making mistakes in grammar or words, so I think these are not important parts for speaking. I think we need only courage and even only simple grammar portion like tenses and some. If you know what is noun and what is pronoun, then you can speak English very well. And even in my case, I don't know. Honestly, I'm telling, I don't have a good vocabulary building. Means I don't know good English words. But whatever I have already, I have basic words only I use. Even in this video, you can observe that I am not using any difficult word for explaining myself. I know I am not good still now, but I know that I am not good on speaking portion or explaining my thoughts. But I always try. So I think it is enough for me that I am trying, because everyone knows that who tries every day, he or she can get success he can get success one day. Okay, so I'm trying every day whenever I get time. And you should also practice yourself whatever you have in your mind. So please tell me what is the best way, कि या हमें यही चीज़ फॉलो करनी चाहिए, क्या हमें रियल लाइफ के जो अपने टॉपिक्स है या फिर चैलेंजेस है, क्या उन्हें इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए. तो इस बार आप मुझे सजेस्ट करेंगे कि मेरा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक क्या होगा. इफ़ you are with me till the end of video, so please suggest me which will be my next topic.